We'll now get started on customizing the sign-up page of the Complete Website Kit. So the gist of the sign-up page is basically it's a landing page for a special offer. If you don't have any special offers right now, you can totally skip this sign-up page. It's not necessary. It's if you have a mail opt-in service, this is what it's for. You already have a mail opt-in option on the homepage. So this is similar. It's just a secondary one for a special offer. Say like you're having a holiday sale and you're wanting to collect email addresses, or if you have a special offer and then you can have them, you can actually get rid of the sign up box and you can have like a link to the sale if you have like a PayPal account or some other type of service. So this is what this sign up page is for. So if you don't have a sign up, like you can totally skip this page and just come back to it at a later time when you do. But if you do have a sign up offer and you want this landing page, let's go ahead and start customizing it. First thing you want to do is just change that box shadow color out here. And you can click on the design tab and the box shadow, and then you can just scroll down and change out that color. Click save, and then change out the placeholder content here. And then this is an alternative sign up box here. So you will need to set that mail opt-in just as we did on the home page with the email account, and you'll select your list if you've already input their information there. If you don't, if you skipped over that tutorial in the homepage, just make sure to refer back to it. Go to the homepage tutorial so that you can get an idea of how to set up the email account. So you would just reset this. You would select your mail account service, and then you would click add. You would click on the account name, the username, and that would all come from the mail service that you provide. Click submit, and then you'll be able to fetch the lists when you put this information in. So you can change out the success action. You can change out the button. You can make changes to every single thing here. If you already changed this on the styling guide, you don't have to worry about doing any changes here in terms of the styling. But if you want to make more changes, you certainly can. So once you've made those changes, click save. And then this is the privacy policy, a little button I made. You can click there. And if you want to make any changes to it, you can. And then the link is set to go. You'll want to set that to go to your privacy policy page. So you'll want to click that in the dynamic content and click privacy policy, click save again. And then up here is a blurb, and that can be set. You can change that. It is a preset. Remember that we have these blurbs also on the contact page. So unless you want to change the ones on the contact page at the same time, I wouldn't do the preset one. I would just do the individual change right here in the design tab under image and icon. You can make that change accordingly. So once you've done that, you can change out this image here. You can change out this background color here under this row setting. Column 2, background, and then just change it to whatever you would like. So once you've done that, click save again, and then click that save button. You're all done with this sign up page.